Welcome to All Things Electronics, your go-to spot for smarter tech choices. Today, we're diving deep into the AirPods Pro 2, but not just in the usual way. By the end of this review, you'll know not only whether they're worth your money, but also a few hidden tricks most reviewers miss that can instantly improve your experience with them. Stick around. You'll want these insights before you spend a dime. Let's start with the heart of any earbuds: sound quality. The AirPods Pro 2, powered by Apple's H2 chip, deliver crisp highs, deep bass, and impressively low distortion, even at higher volumes. Their personalized spatial audio takes this a step further, adapting the soundstage to your unique ear shape for a truly immersive listening experience, especially on Apple Music or Disney+. This isn't just sound, it's sound that feels tailored to you. Noise can ruin any audio experience, but not here. Apple has doubled down on active noise cancellation, making it nearly twice as effective as before, while adaptive transparency lets you stay alert to your surroundings without being bombarded by harsh sounds like sirens or construction. This means you can step out into a busy city without losing the magic of your music. Battery life is where many earbuds stumble. So how does this pair hold up? Expect around 6 hours per charge with ANC on, and a total of roughly 30 hours with the MagSafe USB-C case. Fast charging adds about an hour of playtime in just 5 minutes, ideal for those last-minute dashes out the door. It's not industry-leading, but it's dependable enough to keep your playlists rolling all day. Fit can make or break your comfort. With 4 sizes of silicone tips, including an extra small, most users can find a seal that enhances both comfort and noise cancellation. The case adds practical touches like a lanyard loop and built-in speaker for Find My tracking, though its glossy finish is prone to scratches. If you're picky about fit, this update finally gives you options. Controls are often overlooked until they're frustrating. Thankfully, the AirPods Pro 2 nail this with intuitive swipe and squeeze gestures for volume, playback, and ANC toggling. Paired with seamless Apple ecosystem integration, like automatic switching and spatial audio, they're effortlessly smart. However, Android users will miss out on many of these perks. Calls matter more than most think. These earbuds handle them well, with microphones and software that make voices sound natural even in moderately noisy spaces. For professionals on the move, they'll handle calls without awkward "can you hear me" moments. Still, in extreme wind, competitors like Bose might edge them out. Here's where Apple surprises US hearing health. With FDA-approved updates, the AirPods Pro 2 can act as over-the-counter hearing aids for mild to moderate hearing loss, even running a hearing test to personalize your sound profile. It's a glimpse into the future of wearable health tech, though not a full replacement for professional care yet. Durability is another factor you can't ignore. With an IP54 rating, they're resistant to dust and splashes, making them workout-friendly. However, the case can pick up scratches, and dust may interfere with charging over time. Handle with care, and they'll handle your routine. So, are they worth it? If you're embedded in Apple's ecosystem, absolutely. They offer seamless integration, solid ANC, and forward-looking features. But if you want the absolute best noise cancellation or are on Android, there may be better picks. At their premium price, the AirPods Pro 2 are less about being perfect and more about being perfectly Apple.